Today we'll be looking at the Cameron XL by TC Construction. The first thing you notice is the superb landscaping. Let's take a look inside. As you walk in, you'll have a closet to put your coat into. And here's a shot of the living room. There's a great open concept floor plan, which is such a good floor plan if you've got young kids and you want to keep an eye on them while you're in the kitchen. Let's take a closer look at the kitchen. I like this chandelier. And the custom white cabinets and fixtures are gorgeous. This kitchen also features granite countertops. I also like the stainless steel appliances and the nice walk-in pantry as well. Let me get a closer shot of this walk-in pantry. Very spacious. All right, and I see over here by the garage, there's another closet, and then also a half bath. Looks like you carried those countertops throughout too.
Yes, the granite countertops are included throughout the home, kitchen, and bathrooms.
Excellent. I see a nice garage here too, 3-car. Fantastic. Are the 3-car garage standard?
Yes, three-car garage standard throughout the neighborhood.
Let's head downstairs. Got a family room set up. And then I see room for laundry. Nice storage area too. Now I know this particular model is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath.
Yes.
Let's take a look at the master bedroom. This looks like a big master bedroom. I bet you could definitely fit a king size in here. Do you know the
Absolutely.
dimensions?
16 by 12.
16 by 12. Excellent. And here's the nice walk-in closet. And then the master bath. Big shower.
Absolutely, and if somebody were wanting to swap out and put a tub tub shower combination, that's something we could do too.
Oh, you can swap that.
Along with tile.
Excellent. Lots of space on the countertop too. All right, and I think we'll head up to the next level here and see the other 2 bedrooms. It's nice that there's some separation, so if the parents want a little privacy from the kids, you've got it in this house. Here's a nice bath. Got the tub over there. Bedroom.
So that's 11 by 13.
Okay, 11 by 13 bedroom.
And then a 12 by 11 next door.
All right. Wow, this closet is massive. It's beautiful.
All doors and closet doors will be all hardwood, solid hardwood.
Excellent. All right, let's head back down, get one last look. This carpet is so soft.
Yes. Generous allowances for selections, which is always nice to have along with the builder.
Yeah. That was the Cameron XL by TC Construction. Find out more about TC Construction at tc-constructionmn.com. Special thanks to Liz George Winton, and thanks for watching. What I'll leave you with is, I hope everyone watching this has the means to have a beautiful home like this. However, even if you don't, remember it's not the house that makes the home. It's the people in it. We'll see you next time.